Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new sprouting jar set that I got. So I love growing my own sprouts to add to salads, wraps, things like that. These things are really great. So there's 2 jars and they come with these mesh lids. You can take this off and you'll be able to drain the water out of this. So you're going to put, you can put lentils. These are mung beans. I love this particular design because the lid actually has these little grooves here. And so it comes with a tray. So your juice, the water that's draining out of it can go in here. And then this is going to keep it at an angle. And so, you're going to soak your seeds in here overnight, get them nice and soaked, drain the water out. And then starting on day 2, you're just going to fill this up every single day to kind of re-soak the seeds, and then drain the water out, as much water that you can drain out of it. And then get that out of there, and then kind of just run them around so they'll kind of spread out, not clump to the bottom. And then these little things here are going to hold it in place. And I don't know if you can see there, some of that last bit of water is starting to drain out in this tray. So this way you're not having like a mess all over your table. And it also comes with these sleeves. So the sprouts are going to start their sprouting process. They need darkness. So these are going to keep the light out. And then after they start sprouting, you can actually take the sleeve off so it'll start seeing sunlight just like regular plants would. Look at that right there. These are going to be perfect. So 3 to 5 days, usually by between 5 and 7 days, I start eating them. They're nice, they're sprouted, and then dump it out, rinse it, clean it, and start all over again. So if you want to start adding more greens, well, I'll just keep that there, to your diet, lentils, mung beans, pretty much any bean or seed, you can use them as sprouts. Check it out.